Hello, my name is Colby Kidd, and for exercise 9, I will be choosing the country Japan. So first, let's talk about the 3D printing market. So right now, when it comes to 3D printing, the market is expected to grow exponentially for the next 5 years with an anticipated increased industrial use. So discussing 3D printing overall, we all know that this is making a huge change in the market, and overall, it's making a huge rise in the industry. Lots more, industry-based companies are definitely starting to use it and create things out of it, and overall, it's seeing a lot of success. So let's first talk about some statistics. So Japan's total additive manufacturing slash 3D printing sales was roughly 30.8 billion yen in 2017. So this is what, 5 years ago? However, IDC Japan, which is an IT research firm, has projected that this market will experience consistent growth and constant growth for the next 5 years, with average growth rates at 9.1% until 2023. So you can definitely already tell from these numbers that the company and the idea is not going anywhere. Next, we're going to talk about the current use. Right now, we know the use of industrial 3D printing machines are mostly for R&D purposes, but it's projected that the market will open for mass production by additive manufacturing in the next term. We're seeing a bunch of more acceptance of these products everywhere, not just talking about Japan. However, we do know that majority of the Japanese industry would still believe that 3D printing is cutting edge technology, but are unaware of US companies which can introduce 3D printing to mass production. So therefore, the key for success for the US is definitely like more brand awareness and overall just value of this new invention that's been made in the past several years. Next, we're going to talk about, or finally, excuse me, we're going to say 2 truths and 1 lie, and you guys have to guess which one is the lie. So the first point is Japan was one of the countries that used 3D printing first. Next, 3D printing has multiple disadvantages and overall is a down spiral when it comes to technology. And then the third point is 3D printing has created a new product for markets all around the world. And I believe that's all. Thank you.